Tell them that you're going on a plane to see them. Are you going on a plane? Oh, hang on. Where are you going? You stay on your chair. What have you had? What are you having for lunch?
Chibis.
Chibis and fish?
Yeah.
And what are you drinking?
Juice.
Juice. Show me. There it is. Oh, wow. You already ate up all your fish. What did you do? Did you go play in the water at Muddy's?
Yeah.
Did you have your swimmers?
Mm-hmm.
You did. Oops. You want to say hello to Aisha and Anna?
Hi, Aisha and Anna.
Do you miss them?
Yes.
We see them soon, hey?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye, Aisha and Anna.
What are you doing? You're trying to blow a kiss? Oh, nice. Okay, bye.
Bye, Aisha and Anna.